So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Apple Watch battery is just draining super fast and you're trying to go ahead and fix it. Now, there's a couple things you can do to go ahead and fix this problem. First things first, if you're actively using your watch a lot, it's going to drain, so keep that in mind. If you're like always having a display on, and I notice that whenever I have my flashlight on my Apple Watch all the time, this battery will drain super fast. So keep that in mind. If you want to go and keep your Apple Watch without having too much battery drainage, limiting your usage of it is probably the best thing. You can also enable your low power mode. That's also another option that some Apple Watches have, so just kind of keep that in mind. One of the bigger things too you can go ahead and do to kind of fix this battery drain is by actually going through and removing and kind of closing out of these applications in the background. So what you can do is you can find a certain application and you can just go ahead and swipe and basically exit out of it. And this is going to be one of the things that you can do to go ahead and fix this battery drain as well, because like I mentioned, for a lot of people, you might be actively seeing battery drainage happen all the time, but you're just not fixing it because you're not closing out of these applications. So go through the back end, click on your, control center here, go ahead and swipe out of all these applications. And that's another thing that can go and fix this problem. Another thing you can do on top of that is actually make your way over to your settings application. So open up your settings application, and what you can do then, I clicked on the wrong app, but what you can do then is you basically come into your main panel. What you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and basically find this little option that says display and brightness, or just, whatever, display and brightness right here. You can go ahead and change the brightness of your Apple Watch. If you want it brighter or less bright, you can go ahead and kind of modify those settings here. And that's another thing you can do that could potentially end up fixing this problem as well. And I guarantee you, for a lot of people, decreasing the brightness will save battery. On top of that, just get in the habit of updating your Apple Watch. So go back into your settings, click on your general settings up here, click on software update, and you should probably update your Apple Watch as often as you can. You should go ahead and update your Apple Watch, as often as you can. And that's another thing that can probably end up fixing the problem too for a lot of people. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.